So the point here is to do some more animations. We're going to do something different. I tried to come up with a more different topic. I couldn't because I like imagination. So yeah, let's go with that. And also today I have a little bit of boilerplate. It's this class point that allows me to work with points in 2 dimensions so that it's just easier to add and subtract points. All right, it's the only thing that I'm doing behind the scenes. But we're going to start with the same. If I knew I only have 4 minutes, I would have typed this beforehand, but just some colors. And you all believe I can create a black screen, so I'll skip the step of showing it. But again, if we are drawing something, we need a canvas. So this creates the canvas. And then for animations, you need some kind of loop that tells you that time is moving forward, you know, throughout the frames. So in here, we will update our display. So the idea today will be to draw a triangle, make it rotate, make it zoom in, and have other triangles inside. So the first thing we need is to know how to draw a triangle. All right, so let's do the following. Let's say we have the 3 points of the triangle, and what we need to do is go over each set of 2 points and draw a line between them. So we can go over range of 3, and we can do pygame.draw.line. And so we are drawing on the screen in white. And so the point we start with is going to be 0.0. Now it's the class point, so I actually need to access the values. And this is not 0, this is going to be idx -1, and this is going to be idx.values. So this, I like it better this way. So this draws edges. And so if I do something like draw triangle of screen triangle, all right, and now I just need some points. It's going to be 200. These, I'm not making them up on the go. I took a look. These look kind of decent for some definition of decent. And now we should see some triangles. 1 triangle, actually. Let's just make sure. Okay, so this is 1 triangle, right? And now what I want to do is draw this recursively. And this is easier than you might think, or it's just as easy as you think. So if you have a screen and the points of your triangle, what do you do? So the first thing you do is you check if the triangle is too small to be drawn, because we're going to be recursing into this, right? So if it's too small, if it's, I don't know, maybe less than 3, we just skip it, okay? Now, do I have time? I'm not keeping track of my own time, which sucks. So we draw the triangle. And now we compute the midpoints with least comprehensions because I paid attention to my own talk. Thank you. You can applaud now. You can, yeah, you can. Thank you. So to recurse, what we do is take 2 points, we find the middle point, and we do this for all sets of 2 vertices, and then we get a smaller triangle inside. So we do this 4 points, no, 4. This is points, and this is IDX in range 3. Can someone shout how much time I have left, please? 1.5 sucks. Okay. So let's just draw the midpoints. I don't think I'll have the time to adapt it. I really wanted to show it. Wait, yeah, I need to call the correct function. So this should be the recursive triangle. And now this should be recursive. Okay, so this looks decent. Okay, so now I'm going to cheat like for real. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy the. So what's changing now is we have the draw triangle, and this is the recursive function. Never mind the name because this is not actually true. I'm lying. Now what I'm going to do is just change the way I represent the triangle, which is reflected here. So I no longer keep track of the 3 vertices. I keep track of 1 of the points, and this will make it easier to rotate. So if I run this, yeah, it's going to rotate, and this has the potential to run indefinitely, but it actually hits a recursion error. So it's a challenge for you to fix this recursion error if you just keep watching this. So like yesterday, I have a written version of this. Thank you.